Hi, this is Gretchen from the Avondale Civic Center Library. Welcome to More to Explore. More to Explore is a program for ages 6 to 12. In More to Explore, we will learn, create, and share. Tune in every week for new activities. Last week's question was, a convict who cannot swim escaped from an island prison. No other person or object was used in his escape. How did he escape? The answer is the water froze and he was able to walk across. Great job if you got this one. This week's brain teaser question is, a box holds a vicious rat, which means it wants to bite you, and a diamond. The diamond is safely removed from the box. How? Find out next week when I give you the answer. Today we're going to be making a cootie catcher or fortune teller. So you'll need your paper that has the cootie catcher and instructions on the bottom. I had to look up why is this called a cootie catcher because we never called it that when I was a kid. I think we called them fortune tellers, but essentially what I read on Mental Floss was that when these are formed, they make a little inside with pinchers, and so it would be that you would catch the cooties off your friends or little bugs off your friends. And then the fortune teller part of it was because they would pick a specific number and find out some piece of information. Today, we're not telling fortunes or predicting the future. We're telling some winter jokes. Okay, so there are instructions included with your cootie catcher. And what we're first going to do is fold paper diagonally, because we've got a square. Making a line to fold it diagonally. Unfold paper. Fold paper opposite direction diagonally. Okay. And we're going to unfold paper and turn over. So I've already started with mine face up with the blank side up. So I don't need to turn it over again. I just need whichever way you folded, you need to have the blank side up. Fold all four corners to the center. You can see I already tried this, so I already have some lines in mine that you won't have in yours yet. So the paper should look like this. So we have like a diamond shaped. Flip the paper over so the folds are face down, and you'll see the jokes are on this side. Fold four corners to the center again, and that's going to reveal your numbers. So the paper will look like this. We've got that. Fold the paper sideways in both directions. Okay. And then I need to fold it. So I always learned hamburger and hot dog. So hot dog, hamburger. And then what you're going to need to do is the four creatures or the four little winter items, you're going to be putting your forefinger and thumb in each of those. So when I put my finger and thumb in, it makes the cootie catcher shape. And so then you're just using your fingers and thumb to move it. And have your friend pick a number, so 2. So then I'm going to move it 1, 2, and then have them pick a number again, 5. And when you open it, it will reveal a joke. What do you call a happy penguin? A penguin. All right, well, have fun making your cootie catcher. And I know there's a lot of kids that like to make little tiny ones of these or big giant ones of these. Now that you know the format, you can do whatever you want. You can make different ones. You can make your own jokes inside and play with your friends. In the book, The Bear Ate Your Sandwich by Julia Sarcone Roach, we are told the story of a black bear who is very curious and hungry. After accidentally falling asleep in the back of a truck, the bear finds himself in a new forest, the city. Eventually, he finds his way to the park, where he spies a yummy sandwich and gobbles it up, and then escapes to his forest. Seems believable, right? I'm sure that's what happened to your sandwich. find out if that's the truth or if something a little bit different happened in The Bear Ate Your Sandwich. The Last Kids on Earth is a series by Max Brallier and has been made into a Netflix series. The world has been taken over by zombies and monsters, and Jack has made a new home in his treehouse. He is keeping busy by creating and achieving different badges while looking for his best friend and his crush. After finding them and the school bully, they have to take on the biggest and baddest monster named Blarg. Can they work together to succeed? What other adventures will they have? Read The Last Kids on Earth.